What's up guys, it's Bailey and welcome back to another video of yet another keyboard review. This keyboard is specific for all you Mac users. However, if you enjoy this keyboard, Logitech does make the same keyboard for PC owners. This is a wireless solar keyboard that has been available for several years and has still held its shape that is made by Logitech called the K750. What makes this keyboard so special is that it has an internal battery which is charged with a solar paneled area on top of the keyboard, which makes you have a wireless keyboard without having to swap out the battery periodically. In order to connect this keyboard to your Mac or PC, you will need to plug this USB unifying receiver in. It's called the unifying receiver because it works with all Logitech wireless devices, so if you have a Logitech mouse or other keyboards, they will all pair with this one unifying USB receiver. This keyboard has a control, option, and command keys on the left and right side of the spacebar. And up top we have our function keys such as screen brightness controls, dashboard, media, and audio. On the right side we have the solar panel indicator as well as an on and off button to turn off the keyboard when you're not using it to conserve the energy. On the back we'll find a textured plastic panel with two kickstands to prop up the keyboard. This keyboard uses a plastic construction, but despite the plastic construction it's very high quality and does a good job mirroring the Apple design. That's all I have for you guys in this video. Like always, all the products I mentioned in this video will be linked in the description down below with the most up-to-date pricing if you wish to check them out. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video. And if you guys have any questions about this product or any products I mentioned in the video, leave it in the comment section down below. And I will catch you guys all in the next video. Peace.